Yes, Kampala Uganda mugamba mutya nkuletedde Bobi Wine ng'agezaako okuba nti obuliawo asupportinga mwana mulenzi amanyikidwa nga Zex inchi 10 birangirangi wali ku Lugogo ground. The vibe was nice. Everybody was happy, and yes, of course, Zex yafunye abantu abamumala. What I know, it is hard to see Bobi Wine performing. Naye okumulaga nti olikyaliwe yazessemo n'ayimba endulu neeraya era ng'oba oliawo byolina okuba nti owerabirako. Many times bagamba Bobi Wine takkirizibwa kuyimba era abadde tagezaako kuba nti ayimba mu bifo ebibira, but yesterday yasobodde okuba nti akwata microphone ku lwa Zex inchi 10 birangirangi. He is the godfather of this guy because abaddewo nga musupportinga nga muvimbisa nga mukolera biki ebyenjawulo, so he was there to stand with him in no difficult moment. Mpola mpola.
Thank you, Mr. President, for the biggest opportunity.
Agenda.
Never disappoint you, General.
Got the president agenda right now.
Yeah, man.
Nobody bayanga batawulika
On the mic,
Come and set the desire, me talking nice. So full of armor back with the stash. I need to put the camera in the camera. One of the cool of the Sivania Kumanya. One the right of the upper the edge of the sun. Taking out to the breaker, better than the second. 1, 2.
and the Matayani, what's the plan? All of our no together, all of our Zanani, together one. All of our no together one. Sasa, Mate, Kumate, that's it for now. What's in the blood? What's in the what's in the side? What's in the side?
Papa, told him it's
Najim. Mami, kakalo kusaguneno. Kakalo kusaguneno. Okwebaza, Mr. President of Salako. Big up father. Yeah man, big up one Nobiale. I love you, VP. Big up General. Yeah man, I see you. Chairman Yancy. Walai Chakabinyo. I see you, baby. I see you, daddy. Kusaba la visa. Kusiri kala visa. La visa. La visa, la visa, la visa. Kusaba la visa. Kusiri kala visa. La visa. La visa, la visa, la visa.
Bad mind,